Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. What we've got here is a brake pad upgrade kit for your C350 and your C250 Performance Package models. It includes EBC, yellow stuff pads, and your Motul RBF racing brake fluid. This is a pretty aggressive pad, but it's still street friendly. It's a great, like a stage 1 upgrade if you're looking to do maybe your first track day or an autocross or something similar. It's got better bite. You're going to have better fade resistance compared to an OE pad or like a ceramic pad, something like that. So this is going to be the first thing we recommend upgrading prior to doing anything else. Replacing the pads on these vehicles, relatively simple, requires no special tools. EBC also includes the brake paste that you're going to want to apply on the sliding surfaces. If it's your first time doing the job, budget about 1 hour to do so. Unlike most aggressive street pads, these don't really need to be brought up to temperature. They're not noisy at all. EBC includes this red coating that you see here to bed in or break in the brake pads, especially if you're reusing your rotors. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.